Alright guys, this is coming off the turbo here to the exhaust. Before I did the coolant pressure test, I heard water running, and this is what I came around to see. There's water running out of the elbow going up to the exhaust pipe, and I'm pretty sure that it shouldn't be doing that. So I'm not even going to try to turn it over because it may cause more damage. So we'll see here. I'm going to check the oil here in a second. I'm going to pull the glow plugs out, see if I can see any water coming up through the pre-combustion chambers. And I will post this, and hopefully someone can tell me how bad this is. Thanks.